information.
Almost like a spring day out there.
Is it? Yeah, you know what? We're gonna have a day that is 70 degrees, I think, next week.
Where I was shoeing them horses, it was really pretty. It's fixed now, Mama.
These are one in the waffle mixer here. It's another breakfast for supper kind of night around here tonight, y'all. We're making some of the peanut butter banana waffles. We've shown y'all those before. And some sausage and eggs. Sometimes just in the mood for breakfast any time of day, and that's been happening a lot here lately. My bananas were still really green and gonna be hard to mash up with a fork like I normally do. So I just blended it all together in the blender, which I think is a little easier, and I'll probably do it that way from now on.
Waffles tonight, everybody. Get your waffles coming right up.
Waffles.
Oh, I was wondering what you did there, Mama. So you actually did it in the blender. We're doing a different kind of waffle tonight. I think we've showed y'all these waffles.
Yeah, we got some in the refrigerator right here. Do you want fried or scrambled eggs? It's the next day. We're going with Titus to a farm this afternoon, and we're going to be stopping at a couple of places on the way. This is the farm that's really close to Cherokee. We're going to stop at the Blue Ridge Honey Company and one of the farmers markets up through here. What's the name of that farmers market? It starts with an S.
I'm not sure.
I can't remember. Here's the Blue Ridge Honey Company. We would love to have some bees, y'all. We're looking into it. We looked into it last year, but they weren't selling them at the time. They sell them here. You can buy them here or order them from here. I'm not exactly sure how they do it. I've watched a few YouTube channels of people who have their own bees, and it seems pretty easy. You know, it seems.
Everything can look easy on TV, folks.
Yeah, and now he has some customers that have their own honeybees, right?
And they give me honey.
Yeah.
So why do I need my own bees?
You need to ask her.
Kathy could tell us.
How's the honeybee business?
Yeah. Now, we wouldn't really want to do, she actually sells honey. We wouldn't want to sell
Oh, yeah,
honey.
we don't want to sell it. We just want to, because we have to buy so much honey.
Yeah.
We go through a jar of honey a week, probably.
But like I say, Kathy gives me honey when I go over there to do her horses. So, I mean, and it lasts me for...
She gives you a big old jar.
Yeah.
She stopped by and brought some one day, didn't she? Yeah. Here we go. Okay. Oh, it smells good in here. They got lots of different kinds of honey, too. Tupelo is really good. We really like Tupelo.
Yeah, it is.
Black sage. Never had that before. Blueberry. Clover. We've had clover. Wildflower. Wildflower is not our favorite.
I like the blackberry.
Yeah. Oh, blackberry was... Oh, that's blueberry over there.
I'm starting to like the whipped, too.
Oh, look, they have an orange creamsicle whipped. Cinnamon. This is just oh no, it's just regular whipped. Lemon drop whipped.
I believe I'll get the cinnamon. I actually like the cinnamon right
Yeah, and there's Georgia peaches. Elderberry. Now we have sourwood honey.
Yeah.
Mountain wildflower. Oh, this is cute. Little bags to put your honey in like a gift. That's cute.
This is almost like an antibiotic right here.
Oh yeah, garlic.
When you soak it in there for several weeks.
Oh look, they have blackberry cream honey. You've never tried that?
This is pure raw with raw garlic cloves. You let it sit in there for several weeks and then it turns into almost...
See the cloves in there? Yeah, we did a homemade version of that one time.
It almost turns into like an antibiotic. You see how liquidy it gets?
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Books and bees are over here. You want to go see the bees?
Yeah.
They have some bowl cozies. Lots of pretty bee things. Look at that bee basket. That's cute. Oh, this is a table runner. That's pretty. These kitchen towels. What's this one say? Hello, sunshine. That's pretty. Home is where your honey is. This one says let it be. These are
I like that.
Busy Bee Farm. Yeah, that's pretty. I think they're all, they're $9.99. What is this? All little bee pillows. There's a big one.
This is what I'd have to do right here.
Right.
Almost like I'm going to the moon.
Yeah.
You know?
Uh-huh.
If I was gonna...
This is a good place to bring kids. We brought the kids here before, but it has all this stuff like about the queen bee over there, the colony, pollination. Oh yeah.
Hey, but there are bees on the moon? What?
And beekeeping. It's a really educational place, and it has fun little gift shop stuff.
Yeah.
And you can get some honey. Oh, that tray is pretty. That one is too. Little bee birdhouse.
Oh, I like this. This is a good sign.
Be
right here.
happy.
Be happy, folks. That's what we want to tell you to do.
Yeah.
Be happy.
Oh, here's a honeydew pad. See, this is a list I make for you.
Oh, I love that.
Honeydew this,
and it makes me
honeydew
be
that.
happy.
Yeah.
Just be. Be
yourself.
Yes, love, and be loved.
Look at this little picture down here. That's cute. Be happy. Here's some socks for you.
Oh, yes.
Right there. They got these pretty little, it's making me feel springy in here. Isn't it making you feel springy?
Yeah.
Look at those.
I'm ready for it myself. This is 1 year. Who wants snow? You know what I'm saying?
We don't. We're the ones
tired
now.
of snow.
Old favorite honey recipes. Over 250 great recipes from beekeepers and cooks. The lives of bees. Hey, beekeeping for dummies. That's what we need.
I'm a dummy when it comes to this.
Yeah, we need that. Here's the backyard beekeeper.
I need a lot of things for dummies.
An absolute beginner's guide, homegrown honeybees.
We probably need to read up on it a little bit.
Right, we'll read up on it. You talk to Kathy. Y'all leave us some comments.
I gotta get me a moon suit.
Yeah. Now here's a little life cycle of a bee. See, this is fun stuff to get for the kids and they learn
I need to
about
get
it,
that
you
right
know?
now and just study that
Yeah.
whole system.
Honeybee activity book. Oh, these are only 50 cents each. We'll get them one. We'll get one for the kids to take
Okay.
back to them. Oh, Missing Honey and the Big Honey Hunt. I'm gonna get this book. They have jellies and jams over here and dressings. There's sorghum, Muddy Pond sorghum. Bee paper plates and all. Kind, sweet, humble. Those are pretty. And they have beeswax candles over here. These are pretty. And here's where you can buy all the supplies for beekeeping, all back in here. Oh, these are honey straws.
You can eat it, or you could just, it's
Yeah.
meant to be like a spoon, but one lady's using it to stop smoking.
Oh, really?
Pretty cool
Oh,
idea, because
yeah.
you're using your hands.
That is interesting.
Oh, that is,
Wow. 3 of them.
Oh, look, they have a bee school. We got a few things for the kids in there, and we only got one honey. I forgot to even look for, take out the garlic honey.
Yeah, I got the garlic. It's almost like an antibiotic. That's what me and that lady was talking about.
We did get some of these honey spoon things.
And
she said that you
was
can.
telling us about that.
Yeah, she said that you can. It can just be a sucker, or you stir it in like your tea or coffee or any hot drink, you know, to sweeten it.
Let's try the orange blossom.
Okay.
Now, she told us that one lady that she knows is actually quitting smoking.
Yeah, using these to quit smoking.
She is not puffing that.
No, she just.
She's actually using it for just to help her with.
You know, they get in the habit of
Get in the habit of
moving their
taking.
hands.
I
Yeah,
don't know
having
how.
something in your hand.
Yeah, I'm not sure how that would be. You know, I mean, after so many years, I mean, you got to realize some people's been smoking for. I mean, they've been smoking for 30 years or so. That's tough. You know.
I picked out the Missing Honey book, and y'all, they have good prices on their books in there. This is brand new for only $5.99, $10 at other places. So
If it works.
and we got each one of them one of these little bee activity books.
whatever it takes to get off of them.
How is it?
It's good if you just use it like a sucker.
I got this little honeybee bag. It's a gift bag to, you know, you
I
can
don't know
buy
about
somebody
that.
3 different honeys or whatever. But I thought it would be cute for something else that I have in mind to do with it because I love bees. So that's really good.
It is really good, yeah. A lot of my family on my daddy's side does that deal.
If it's working,
If
hey.
it's working for her, I'm for that.
Yeah.
For
And
sure.
at least she's using a honeysucker instead of like a regular, you know, honey's better for you than the other ones.
She's thinking it through.
Yes.
Yeah.
We were gonna stop in this one, but it's not open today.
We'll bring y'all back another day.
Look at those mountains.
Our camera's doing weird stuff, y'all.
Yeah.
The
Ever
thing's
since
going
that
in
water
and out.
incident, sometimes it zooms in and out without me doing it.
Yeah, so that's what's happening every now and then. Y'all see
But
that
it's-
camera.
it's fine.
We don't care. As long as y'all don't mind. Y'all getting a close-up of us. It did it again.
The sky's extra pretty today.
It really is. Zoom in on it.
Cheryl.
Cheryl.
Cheryl Produce, country store.
This is like a bargain
Oh, bargain bucket.
bucket. I'll get these in here.
Okay. Oh look, have you ever seen apple pie preserves?
No, I hadn't.
Southern peach.
I've also never seen sweet potato butter with honey.
Oh, I've seen sweet potato butter before, but I don't know about with honey. I don't know.
Something's telling me this
Oh
monkey
yeah, that
butter.
monkey butter's calling out to you. Hallman's Bear Creek, mild and tangy barbecue and grilling sauce. Oh, there's a secret sauce. Awesome dipping sauce. Jalapeno ketchup, black pepper ketchup. Farm style pasta sauce. Yeah, that'll be good.
What is the leaf
Dried
for?
avocado leaves. I don't know.
Anybody out there can tell me what we would use that for? Right here?
Let's see, it might say something on the note. Say that. If you come to Cheryl Produce, there is still some things in the world that are free.
And I just got a
They have free bananas in there.
I got a free nanner.
This is still a pretty good banana.
Nanner?
I mean-
Zoom in on it. We all know an apple a day
Keeps the doctor away.
keep the doctor away.
But we're going to the doctor right now because that's where he's got to shoe horses for a doctor.
Yeah. I'm going to visit the doctor right now, but I'm going to work on his horses.